What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this pretty macaroni, my name is Rafaya, the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're already a part of the family, I just want to say welcome back to my channel and thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's Frisky Friday video is going to be all about my zodiac. Low key, I am not going to be doing too much simply because I don't even know if I believe in astrology or not. But it is a thing. I am a part of that thing, so I'm going to speak on that thing. Now, before I jump into what zodiac sign I am, what are zodiac signs? Now, I'm going to say zodiac signs are categories of astrology. Now, astrology is the belief that the alignment of stars and planets affect individuals' mood, personality, environment, etc. based on the day they were born. If you don't know what your zodiac is, I'm going to put a chart right here. So all you have to do is find your birthday and that is your zodiac sign. What zodiac am I? My birthday is June the 28th. So I'm a Cancer baby. I am a Cancerian queen. My zodiac symbol is the crab. My zodiac element is water. My zodiac planet is the moon. My zodiac starts at June the 20th and it ends on July the 22nd. My zodiac birthstones are the moonstone, ruby, pearl, and emerald. In this video, I'm going to be focusing mainly on my zodiac simply because in some zodiacs, I have no families, no friends, no associates, no one, so I can't make assumptions if I don't have anyone. Also, in the zodiacs that I do know persons have, it's like 1 or 2 persons, so I don't want to make any assumptions there either based on the amount of persons I know. So I just felt like it was only right and it is the best thing to do by just sticking to my zodiac only. Also, these are all my point of view, so please don't be sensitive or take anything I say to heart. Now, I'm just going to put some Cancer traits out there. It is going to be good and bad traits. So I'm just going to put it out there and give a little review from my point of view on each trait. Also, in my little review, I need feedback, so let me know in the comment sections if you guys are like this or not, or if you agree or disagree. Just let me know, please, because it can't be just me. So the first trait that I have is I feel like Cancers are super loyal. We value loyalty and we give loyalty 100%. The moment Cancers feel like you cannot be trusted, or the moment you did some shady stuff to a Cancer, is the moment that all loyalty falls. But loyalty is everything. And also I feel like because Cancers have this loyal and genuineness about them, they think that the world is supposed to be like that, but in all honesty, it's not that way. And sometimes we just have to learn to be not so loyal, but loyalty is in fact a main part of being a Cancer. Moody. I am sorry to all my friends. I am sorry to all my family. It is honestly not my fault. I could be happy at 12 o'clock and 12:01 I am the saddest person ever. Why? I don't know. It's not something that happens like all the time, but for a fact this has happened to me, so I low-key believe this. I am just an emotional ball wreck. Cancers are goofy. I am such a goofball. I can literally get my heart broken or something and I make a joke about it. Cancers are music lovers. I am a music lover. To be honest, I rather listening to music than watching something. And I love music from all genres. Like I have old hits on my phone, I have opera on my phone, I have salsa on my phone, I have soca on my phone. I have a lot of music from all different genres on my phone. Cancers or food lovers. No cap, I love food. I am always open to trying new food, but once it is food, yep. Cancers are optimists. Yep, we are, and that can be a good thing, it can be a bad thing, because being that we always expect like to see the best in people, sometimes you're blind to stuff. But I'm the type of person where the person has to do something to me in order for me to like look at the person different or see the person in a negative way. Cancers are stubborn. I don't know about that. Am I stubborn, guys? Hi friends. Hi family members. I'm not stubborn. Like, what? Not me. Friends, stay out of my comment section, please. Cancers can be timid. I'd say yes to that, because low-key I can be, for example, I can be in a classroom, I know that I know the answer and the teacher is asking the question and I'm sitting there as if I don't know the answer. Maybe that would come under the category shy, I think, but yeah, I can be a little timid at times. Cancers can be fashionista. Big facts. Whenever I reach my financial stability, it's a wrap. I like wearing stuff that no one else is wearing, and because of that, I will put some stuff together and it just works. Also, a lot of stuff doesn't go with my body type, so I always have to be like consolidating stuff. When I was a bit younger, I used to get stuff made 24/7. I didn't really have a phone at the time to like take pictures of stuff I used to wear, but I low-key love fashion. Also, on a whole, I really like dressing up. I really like looking cute and stuff. I really just like being a look, so definitely I'd say yes to that one. Cancers can be high maintenance. I don't think so. I require a lot of stuff, so yes, I require a lot of attention, I require a lot of time. High maintenance as it regards to money. If you want to give me some money, give me some money, but I would say high maintenance in a way, yes, but not in a bad way, not in like a gold digger way, but we are rare. We are, I feel like we are a rare species, so we are supposed to be taken care of. That's as far as it gets. Like, I feel like because we are rare people, and it boils down to being genuine as well. It boils down to our loyalty as well. So yes, we are expected to be treated a certain way. Cancers need constant validation. And that goes back to the point where I would say high maintenance. Like, we want to be treated as how we would treat you. Being loyal, being genuine, being the sweet, loving, and caring person that we are. Constant validation, I like that, to be honest, especially if it's like relationship wise. Don't mess with a Cancer. I don't know what to say about this one, because I do know that I can be dangerous, but not out of nowhere. You have to do something to me for me to bring out like the dark side. I give people chances because I know that when the dark side is activated, it cannot be deactivated. So I try not to activate the dark side. The last point I have is Cancers have trust issues. I do. So I have to agree with this. I do. If expecting the unexpected was a person, it would definitely be a Cancer. Because I'm not saying that we are just out here waiting for persons to mess up, but it's like, it's facts. Once a trust is broken, that's it. I feel like we are human lie detectors, because I can see right through people. Like, low key, I can see right through people, and at the same time not say anything but just watch the person's action and motion and just work by how the person is. But yeah, that is it from me in today's video, guys. If you reached this far, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave some positive feedbacks. Also, remember to comment whether or not you like the points that I made. Also, comment on whether you agree or disagree, because I really want to know what's up if it is just me as a Cancer that have these feelings. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.